we have subtraction of decimal numbers. How we do this? We use the same rule like we use for subtraction whole numbers. So first, when we have written decimal numbers in vertical columns and decimal point is in the same column, we have to check if on the top we have greater number than in the bottom. We have 6 and 9. So now it's greater than 6. So we need to do borrowing. We use the same rule like for subtraction whole numbers. Because 6 is less than 9, so we borrow 1 from next digit. So this number we cross, we borrow 1 from 6, so 6 minus 1 will be now 5, and here we have 16. And next we have 7 minus 8. 7 is less than 8, so again we have to borrow from next digit 1. 6 minus 1 is 5, and now 17. So now we can do subtraction. 16 minus 9 is 7. 5 minus 3 is 2. We take down the decimal point in the same column we have to have. 17 minus 8 is 9. 5 minus 2 is 3. So now you can always check. We have 39.27 plus 28.39. How we add decimal numbers? We use the same rule like for adding whole numbers. We start from the last column and we are going to the left. 7 plus 9 is 16, so we have 6 and we take 1 to next column. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 3 is 6. We take down decimal point. 9 plus 8 is 17, so we have to write 7. And we take 1 to next column. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 is 6. We got the same number which we have at the beginning, 67.66. So everything is correct. This is my solution.